The last heating system I had, which was a 12 kilowatt, I had a bobble lamp and a fleece on, and I was absolutely froze. In the winter, that was £100 a week. nearly give me a heart attack when the bill come in. I'd heard of it, but I didn't know what it was, and I was a bit sceptical. But once they explained it all, I said, yeah, I'd go with it. I just had to do something, so that seemed the only answer. 4 weeks to be accepted to get on the system, and once they'd done that, it's just wait for the contractors to come and start. The contractor kept me informed every step of the way from start to finish. They were very good. They cleaned up after themselves. Yes, they made a mess, but what builder doesn't? When they left the premises, you wouldn't know they'd been here. Yes, it did cause a bit of disruption when they were doing the heat pump, because they had to take all the radiators out. But they done it room by room, and I left them to it, whichever room they were in. And any questions I had, they sorted them out for me. They know the job. The best thing to do is to say, there's a building, get on with it. Yes, the other benefit being I've got solar panels on the roof, and I won't have to worry about how much electric I'm using. I would recommend it, yes. I mean, if you've got solar panels on as well, you're on a winner, aren't you? I have noticed a great deal of difference in the warmth of this place, even though I haven't put the heating on yet. I have actually tried it out. I didn't want to get to winter and couldn't remember how to operate it. Everybody comes in here and says, God, in the in here.